international work the Air Force is involved in. So as he gives us a bit past these guys spend months and months of their year away from home. They deploy to various theatres of operation, as well as patrolling our inshore and external waters. And I think one of the reasons we don't really think too much about the Air Force anymore is because they're not as visible as they used to be. They tend to be deployed all over the world.
Here's a wee one's coming.
1, 2 and 3 getting airborne with 4 and 5 close behind them. They'll take position out towards to Mount Orion, and they've been doing themselves upside down. You don't want pens and spanners and all sorts falling on your head, so they'll give them a chance to pick those up. And looking to the front, we can see the SH-2G Sea Sprite. There's not only a human that can do a lovely wing over for us.
They're all the way.
Okay, so this is an American helicopter.